Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your hero, Shallot. He is the main hero of Dragon Ball Legends. So let Shallot unleash special move and get the new costume. You can do it in this game. So I made this video is for beginner that are new into this game and still confused how to challenge the event, completing the mission, and how you can get the rewards and many more. So let's get started by tapping the menu button, tap the customize, and this is the Shallot page. So you can get the details of your hero Shallot, like the status, the arts, the ability, and also you can tap for the illustration here. Let's get back, full body view here. And also I want to show you this special move. You can get this special move, for example, from Gogeta, Soul Punisher, by Teach at Friendship Rank 2. And you can make a filter. Let's get back. And also you can change the costume, default battle suit, and I'll choose this Hermit Goku. And also you can add accessories if you have one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.